Hey guys, it's Abby with Smartass and Sass, and I am here to show you what was in our July box. So this month's theme was for Fox's sake, so it's all pun related stuff. We kept it sassy, but everything has a pun in it. And so every month, as always, you get a little booklet that has everything you're getting, who it came from, if there are any special instructions, how to find more of their stuff. So there's that. Okay, so first I'll start off with this month's spoiler item. So it was this ceramic Campfire Bowl, and it says spooning leads to forking. So it's royal blue, speckled on the outside, white on the inside, but it's the perfect size for a snack or ice cream or cereal. People have already been sharing their photos using it. We use ours all the time. So there's that. Okay, let's see. Next up we have, it's a 6 pencil pack, and it's from Tiramisu Papery. They are all pink, but they have a gold foil design, and they say Sasshole on them. They're super cute. So you get 6 of those. Next up I'll show you this month's collectible sticky note design. So it says from the desk, let's see if I can, from the desk of a smartass. So it is 50 sheets, and as always it is Post-it brand, so you know that they're gonna stay stuck. They're high quality, and so every subscriber gets one of these, whether it's a shirt or one of the boxes. So there's that. All right, next up I want to show you, I already took it out of the packaging, but it is a bracelet or a wristband from Unselfie. And so let me show you the wristband, and then I want to tell you about Unselfie. But we chose this design that says Tropic Like It's Hot, and it's this purple kind of palm leaf pattern, but it's reversible, and inside it's this really colorful design. But one super cool thing about Unselfie is that for every wristband sold, they donate $1 to a different nonprofit. And so each bracelet design is tied to a different nonprofit. This one is the Malala Fund, and so for every bracelet, they donated $1 to the Malala Fund. So they're super nice quality. They're also really stretchy, which I like. But yeah, and I love that it's reversible, so you can either have the saying and the purple on the outside, or you can have the colorful design. And it comes in this cute little pouch. Okay, next up, so because the box is called for Fox's sake, we wanted to include just a cute little cuddly fox. We've seen a lot of them go to pets or little babies, but you'll get one of these cute little guys. So there were, I think, 4 different colors, so you'll just get a random color, but she's got a cute little tag that says for Fox's sake on it. Okay, next up is an item that we designed. It is a headband, like a workout headband. So it says, I run like the winded, and it's royal blue on the outside, and the inside is gray with this like absorbent liner. And so it's thicker in the front, a little bit thinner in the back, and it's got a nice stretch to it. So there's that. All right, let's see. Next up, I'm going to show you a sticker set. This is from Badge Bomb, and the artist is Gemma Coral. So these are the punny stickers. They have 2 different designs. So there's a junior and a senior set. We chose the senior, so it's kind of, you know, more mature puns, but anxiety, emotional baggage, feeling sluggish. They're super cute. But this has 3 sticker sheets in it, so lots of stickers to use. Okay, oh, to go along with your pencils, we included a little sharpener because I can never find one when I have pencils around, but we made it, and it says stay sharp, and has a little cactus on it, and it's the pencil sharpener that holds the pencil shavings too, so that you don't have to be next to a trash can when you're doing it. Let's see. All right, so next we have a lotion. This is from So Basic. Let me see if I can, yeah, So Basic. And we worked with them to come up with a fun name that's, it's called Berry Fucking Good. But it's a mix of black raspberry and vanilla, and it smells so good. And it's a 4-ounce bottle, so it's a really good size. And then last up, we have a tea towel that we designed that says Simmer Down. So it's this thick canvas tea towel, really nice quality and thickness, but it unfolds one more time, so it's really big, but the design's on this panel. So yeah, Simmer Down. And then last but not least, we have our t-shirt. So this also says Sasshole, but let me see if I can, it has a definition of a sasshole on it, so I'll read it to you. It says, a person possessing great sarcastic wit who would be considered a complete asshole if not for their intentional comedic sass. So and it's like a dark heather gray. So that was everything for this month. We have just a handful of each of the things left, so I'll post links for those. And then if you want to subscribe, you can get just the t-shirt, just the box, or both, which is what we call the big box. And then if you want to prepay for 3 or 6 months in advance, you can get a little bit of a discount for doing that. So thanks.